Y'all, I thought I would just come in to encourage you guys to go outside. It looked like it's about to rain, and it's just so peaceful and so relaxing. Just go outside and get some air. I'm looking at all the yard work we gotta do. It's a lot. I did the front today. We'll do the back tomorrow. But get you some fresh air. Turn off the TV. Go outside. I just went and bought me a fern because this was like a plant that my aunt bought that I was doing well with it, but then she just died on me. So I was like, let me go get me another fern. And I bought some pansies today at Home Depot. So maybe I can show y'all. Look, that's my fern. I need somewhere to hang her. She looked like I'm gonna have to cut off a few of her little stem, but I've had ferns. I've had a couple of ferns, and I usually do okay with them. Um, I don't know how it's gonna do out here in this heat, because North Carolina is hot, but in Missouri they did pretty good, and in Grand Rapids they did okay. So hopefully she does okay over here. If it's too hot, because the sun comes in from this way, so if it's too hot, then I'm gonna have to move her to the front where she'll get that indirect evening sun. So yeah, I was just out here chilling. I was like, I came out here looking for my cherry blossom trees because they were so pretty and pink, just the perfect pink. And then we went out of town and came back, and now they're burgundy. So yeah, but it's just so peaceful. I mean, it's cars and stuff going by, so that's not peaceful, but just listening to the birds, it's just really relaxing. All right, I'll chat with y'all later. Bye.